Déan chuir síos an seomra site. Tá lampa díobhthír den tullag.
The lamp is behind the sofa.
Tá Niamh agus Oisín ina suí an tullag.
Niamh and Oisín are sitting on the sofa.
Tá siad i gimmert cluiche an Teilifis.
They are playing games on the television.
Tá cusíní an tullag.
The cushions are on the sofa.
Tá an cían rialtán faoin gusín.
The remote control is behind the cushions.
Tá greengraf agus clog an matal os cin na tine.
The picture and the clock are on the mantelpiece above the fire.
Tá scahan an mala os cin na tine.
The mirror is on the wall above the fire.
Tá bran an mata os cór na tine.
Bran is on the mat in front of the fire.
Tá cnámhaige.
He has a bone.
Tá dálóg agus curtíní an bhuineog.
The blind and the curtains are on the window.
Tá tasire faoin bhuineog.
The radiator is under the window.
Tá Ciara an mórd.
Kira is at the table.
Tá tabléideici.
She has a tablet.
Tá bláthúch an mórd.
The flower vase is on the table.
Tá líród faoin mórd.
The ball is under the table.
Tá car an talamh in naci leis an mórd.
The car is on the floor beside the table.
Tá an siomra site go hálinn fad.
The sitting room is beautiful.